YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel, where today we uncover the secrets to becoming YouTube superstars. I'm so pumped because today I have an incredible story to share with you, how I gained a whopping 1,000 subscribers in less than 10 days. Most importantly, I want to help you do the same. Are you excited to start your channel? Let me know in the comments below. And leave a link to your channel so I can see what you're working with and subscribe. So let me guide you through the first 7 steps I took to get started. Let's dive in. Find your passion. Think about what makes you super excited and happy. Is it funny skits, awesome science experiments, or maybe sharing your cool artwork? Choose something you absolutely love, and that will be the heart of your channel. You will want to plan your content. Grab a pen and paper and brainstorm some cool ideas for your videos. What do you want to show or teach people? Make a list of all the amazing things you want to share with the world. Lights, camera, action. Now it's time to film your videos. Find a quiet and well-lit spot. And it's okay to ask for help if you need it. I actually use the help of my daughters and sometimes my husband to either record my videos, give me video ideas, or even edit my videos, which we're about to talk about next. Use a phone or camera to record your awesome content. You do not have to invest in fancy cameras or rent out big expensive studios when you're getting started. Get ready to shine like a superstar. Edit like a prop. Editing is like adding magic to your videos. You can use special software or apps like CapCut to make your videos look even cooler. Trim the boring parts, add fun effects, and make your videos super duper awesome. Share with the world. It's time to show off your incredible creations. Upload your videos to YouTube and write catchy titles and descriptions. Choose cool thumbnails to make people curious about your content. And don't forget to tag your videos with relevant keywords. Now the world can see your talent. Engage with your fans. When people leave you comments on your videos, be sure to respond and show them some love, guys. Create a community of awesome fans by being friendly and supportive. You'll make lifelong friends and have lots of fun along the way. Keep creating and growing. Don't stop at just one video. Keep creating and improving your content. Try new ideas and learn from your experiences. With time, you'll become a YouTube superstar, inspiring others with your amazing videos. Guys, I was just like you, dreaming of making it big on YouTube, trying to figure out how to grow to 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 watch hours so that I could achieve the goal, the ultimate goal of monetizing my channel. But I had no clue where to start or how to make my channel shine. That's when I decided to research and watch a ton of other creators' channels that had already accomplished the goal I was aiming for. So I sat at my desktop and I got to work. I turned into a detective, searching high and low for clues that would unlock the secrets to YouTube stardom. I dove deep into the vast ocean of YouTube, studying successful channels to reveal their amazing strategies. And guess what? I struck gold. I found a bunch of amazing creators that didn't mind sharing their journeys of starting and growing on YouTube. The first clue I stumbled upon was the incredible power of captivating titles. I learned that a title can be like a magical key that grabs people's attention and makes them want to watch your videos. So I put my thinking cap on and I started experimenting with different title ideas, catchy keywords, and hooks that would make viewers go, wow. One thing that I learned quickly though is that you never go with your first idea. There will always be a way you can make it more interesting, more appealing, to make your audience actually want to stop and watch your videos. Now guys, that is not saying you have to spend an insane amount of time and make it perfect, because anyone that knows me knows that I am the first to tell you that done is better than perfect. You can always perfect as you go. And the good thing about YouTube titles is that you can change your title if your first one is not working, as long as it still represents your video content. Now, don't use clickbait, because everyone will hate you and no one will trust you and they will stop watching your videos. So the adventure didn't stop there. I soon discovered a treasure trove of remarkable creators who had cracked the code to captivate their audience. These creators became my mentors, showing me the way to YouTube's greatness. I watched their style, studied their process, and found what they all had in common. Even though each creator was different and sometimes had different niches, there were some things that stayed consistent amongst all of them. So now get ready for the really awesome part. I'm absolutely stoked to announce that I'll be releasing a series of videos where I'll guide you step by step through the strategies I learned from these incredible creators. We'll explore their unique styles, break down their super cool tips, and uncover how we can apply them to our own channels. I took certain tips from each creator and made my own YouTube strategy that actually worked. I literally grew to over 1,000 subscribers in less than 10 days, y'all. From making our channels look amazing to using the power of social media to our advantage, we'll cover it all. So get ready for an action-packed adventure filled with practical advice, easy to follow tips, and tons of fun. But hey, I need your help on this epic journey. So let's make it official, like we did, huh? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming episodes. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to becoming YouTube rock stars. You now know the steps to start your own YouTube channel. So grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and share your talent with the world. Remember, you have something unique to share, and the world is waiting to see it. Good luck and have a blast on your YouTube journey. Thank you all for joining me today on this incredible adventure. Remember, with a little research, a sprinkle of strategy, and inspiration from amazing creators, you too can conquer YouTube. Stay tuned for our next mind-blowing episode. And until then, keep creating, keep growing, and keep shining like the superstars you are. See you soon.